The C programming language turned 50 this year, and it, along with C++, continue to be quite popular. Both languages are efficient and flexible, which is why they're used in a number of performance-critical areas like games, graphics, networking, and databases. But for all the benefits of C and C++, there are significant challenges when it comes to open-source license compliance and security. Today, most organizations rely on software composition analysis tools to identify their open-source dependencies and manage their vulnerabilities and licensing requirements. But too often, these tools fall short when it comes to C and C++. That's because C and C++ are managed languages without manifests, and legacy SCA tools generally rely on these manifests to detect dependencies. To compensate, most tools utilize a one-size-fits-all approach that leave users vulnerable to undetected license compliance and security issues, not to mention the frustration of countless false positives. At FOSSA, we've been working hard to come up with a better way for organizations to identify dependencies and manage their C, C++ open source, one that is suited for the realities of the complex C, C++ ecosystem. And now we're excited to share what we've created. Our C, C++ solution is based on a three-pronged approach to accurately identifying dependencies and surfacing all security and license risks in C, C++, regardless of how the code is included, dynamically linked, statically linked, or vendored. If you have vendored code, we compare the fingerprints of files in your project with those we've seen before, resulting in statistically likely library identification. If your code is statically linked, we inspect platform-specific compiled output to identify dependencies. And for dynamically linked code, we use the System Package Manager as our source of truth, after identifying the binaries being dynamically linked. Once scanning is done, you can view security and license issues in your dashboard. And since these results are based on the most comprehensive and accurate dependency inventory available, you'll be able to significantly reduce your exposure to vulnerabilities and license compliance issues without the nightmare of endless false positives. For more information and to get started with our C, C++ open source management solution, please email us at hello@fossa.com. Thanks.